Hey babes, so today I'm sharing with you guys a beauty device that I have been using for the past couple weeks that has been a complete game changer for my skin. I'm so excited to share with you guys. So I'm going to show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. Before I do, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, become part of our family. We would love to have you here. If you'd like to follow me on my Instagram, I will have that link down below, as well as all the links that you need. Everything will be down there. And don't forget to hit the post notification button so that you never miss one of my videos. Let's get into this video. So over the years, I have used many eye creams and eye gels for puffy eyes and dark circles, bags, lines, and wrinkles. The older I've gotten, the more I've used, just for like preventative, and sometimes getting old sucks. So I've used some things over the years, and some of them have worked pretty good. Some of them just haven't worked at all, but I've never came across an actual device for eye rejuvenation. I have heard about going to, you know, like the plastic surgeon's office or the dermatologist's office and getting crazy expensive treatments done, whether it's like a laser or a machine or shots, whatever, like scary, very, very expensive things. But I've never heard of an actual device that you can purchase and use until recently, and I have been trying this out, and I am so beyond happy with my results. I'm so excited to share with you guys. These eye rejuvenation devices are very, very popular across seas in other countries, but for some reason they're not huge. Like, they haven't made it here into the US yet. I feel like they will be, because these are amazing and such a better alternative than going to like the plastic surgeon or the dermatologist's office for crazy expensive treatments. And your cost per treatment with the device is so much more cost effective than just a few treatments at a doctor's office. So it's amazing overall. So I'm gonna show you guys. So this is the Lifetron 4-in-1 Eye Rejuvenator. You may have seen the Lifetron before. They are found on many airlines in the airline catalog, as well as many airport shops. They are very nice and compact, great for travel, great for being on the plane. They do come with a protective case here, which is nice to keep it nice and protected. So to start it, you press the power button, and it has two levels, a low and a high. And this is USB chargeable. It is wireless. It comes with a USB, and it's how you charge it. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to use this as I'm using this. You always want to do this with a clean face and clean skin. I do it with my skincare routine, so after I've cleansed, toned, and moisturized and put on my eye cream or my eye gel, then I will use this. So I like to start off with the vibration and the heat therapy end, because the heat is so soothing, it feels so nice and warm. You should always be gliding the device across your skin and never tugging or pulling. So the vibration and the heat therapy combined help to improve the blood circulation in your under eye area. It also helps to fade those dark circles, and it helps to reduce bags underneath your eyes. And due to the negative ion technology, this helps absorb the nutrients from your moisturizers and your skincare more effectively into your skin's layers. And not only can you use this for around your eyes, but you can also use it for around your lip area if you have problematic areas around your mouth and lips as well. And then on the other side, this is the radio frequency side, and it's really cool because you can actually feel the frequency going through your skin. It just feels like it's working, like you can just feel it. It's a really cool feeling. So with the heat therapy side, I always use my daily eye cream, but with the radio frequency side, I use a special kind of radio frequency gel, and I will show it to you guys. If anyone is interested in this, I will leave it linked down below. This gel helps the radio frequency perform better, and it feels really, really good on your skin. I do underneath my eye and above my eyebrow. So what the radio frequency is doing is helping to promote or stimulate that collagen production. It helps to stimulate elastin, firm the skin in the area, and diminish fat granules. It also helps to lift and contour the eye area, and it reduces the appearance of the fine lines and the wrinkles. It does the same thing for your mouth area and like the lines around your lips. So in the thumbnail, that is my before and my after. I did use my Eye Rejuvenator for about 2 to 3 weeks consistently, and the demo that I just showed was filmed today, like 2.5, 3 weeks of using this. So before and after is dramatic, and this works so well. If you guys would like to try out the Eye Rejuvenator, I will leave the link down below, as well as a 10% off discount code. which is a lot off of this device. So take advantage of it. 10% off. I'll leave the coupon code right here on the screen as well as in the description. And the links for everything will also be down below. I'll also leave the firming cream or the firming gel that I showed down below as well if anyone is interested in that. Okay, so with all that said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please give it a big thumbs up. Hi, Coco. If you are subscribed already, please do and join our YouTube family. We would absolutely love to have you a part. And also, please don't forget to hit the post notification button so that you never miss one of my uploads. My Instagram as well as all of my information is listed down in the description. Everything that you need is there. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in a few days in the next video. Love ya. Bye.